Required skills for the Level 3 optional or voluntary routines. Level 3 athletes have a choice of doing the compulsory routine or creating an optional or voluntary routine. These routines are awarded together and they both count toward the all-around score. So there must be elements that are the same in both the compulsory routines and the optional routines so that the judges can evaluate the routines fairly and compare the athletes who do the compulsory routines with those who do the optional routines. There are required elements for the optional routines, which are the same basically as the identified skills in the Level 3 compulsory routines. There will be 3 required body difficulties. The handling must be the same as the handling in the compulsory routine. There will be a jump or a leap, there will be a balance, and there will be a pivot. The next requirement is for the dance steps. In the dance steps, the steps should interpret the character of the music that the athlete has chosen. So the steps will be different in the optional routines as they are from the compulsory routines. However, there are either required handling or a required body movement or skill. For example, in the ribbon routine, one of the dance passes must have spirals. So the steps should interpret the music of the optional routine, and the dance steps must show spirals. It doesn't have to be spirals for the entire dance pass, but there must be spirals somewhere in the dance pass. There might be, instead of an apparatus handling that's required, it might be a body skill, such as in one of the routines, it's a side chasse. There will be other dance steps involved in the dance sequence, but a side chasse must be included. If it is a body movement that's required, then the apparatus handling is whatever the athlete chooses that fits in with the choreography for her routine. There are 3 final requirements. These may either be body movements or apparatus handling. For example, there might be a toss and catch with one hand. If it's an apparatus handling, again, the athlete will be choosing what body movements or dance steps fit the choreography of her routine. It might also be a body movement that's required. Perhaps it's 3 passe steps, lifting the knees high. The apparatus handling will be what fits into the choreography for the optional routine.